Now next is spinal cord and the nerves. Our body has the vast network of nerves. The nerves carry messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body via spinal cord. The spinal means what is the work of nerves, what is the task of nerves? They carry messages back and forth between brain and body. Means some nerves carry message from brain to body and some nerves carry message from body to brain. The spinal cord is long and thick bundle of nerves. As you can see here, it is a long and thick bundle of nerves protected by the vertebra. All the vertebra, how many vertebra we have? 33 vertebra. They are butterfly like bones. Okay, the spinal cord is connected to the brain at the medulla. Okay, so spinal cord and brain connect at the medulla here, brain stem. Now let us study the types of nerves. There are basically three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Now sensory nerves. Sensory nerves carry message from the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, to brain or spinal cord. Means they carry messages from our sense organs to the brain. And motor nerves, they carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the rest of the bodies. Means sensory nerves carry messages from body to brain and motor nerves carry message from brain to body. And mixed nerves, they do both of the works. And then normally sensory nerves carry message to the spinal cord. Means sensory nerves take message from all these organs and give it to the spinal cord. Then spinal cord sends the message to the brain. Then when brain receives this message, it sends the again that what to do and what not to do. Okay, and they carry out the action. These are the diagrams which you can see. Now here I have reduced these two topics, reflex action and memory. Still we will study it. Now what are reflex actions? Reflex actions are very quick reactions like blinking of our eye. Like by mistake, if we are putting our hand on some hot object or some sharp object, something inside our mind warns us and we just remove our hand. What is that? That is a reflex action. And our reflex action is controlled by our spinal cord. This message does not reach to the brain, and soon as we are going to touch it, the message reaches to the spinal cord and spinal cord tells us not to touch that. And such reactions are called reflex actions. They are directly controlled by spinal cord. Now memory. We all are born with nerves that we need, but many of them are not connected at birth. At birth, all the nerves are not connected. As we grow up, the connections grow, and memory, this forms the memory. As the new connections develop in the brain, they start forming the memory. Okay. Now you have to write all these keywords: vertebra, bone marrow, joint, ligaments, tendons, reflex action, and I think 2 more are there inside the book. So all these keywords you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Now let us study the exercise. Take the correct answers. Which of the following bones produce blood cells in the body? That is humerus and femur. How many vertebra is our backbone made up of? 33. What are the fibers that hold two bones together at a joint called? Ligaments. Which of the following is not a part of our nervous system? Spine. Which part of the brain controls involuntary muscles? Medulla. Write true or false. Correct the false statement. We are born with 206 bones. It is false. Why? We are born with 300 bones. The bone marrow makes blood cells for the body. True. The backbone is one long bone. No, it is made up of many small bones, so it is false. Bones are attached to muscles by tendons. True. You can control the muscles that make your eyes blink. False, because they are involuntary muscles and it is a reflex action. Match the column. Cerebrum controls thinking. Spinal cord controls reflex action. Brainstem controls involuntary muscles. Motor nerve takes messages from the brain. Cerebellum controls balance. Now we are done with the book work. Now I will send you question answers. These 3 questions I have reduced. Okay.